Adrian Maxwell, President, AMAXX Incorporated.
Patrick Kehoe, Vice President, AMAXX Inc.
AMAXX Inc. is incorporated in 1995. We're a full-service site development contractor working in Dutchess, Putnam, Fairfield, Westchester, Ulster, and Orange counties.
So AMAXX started as a family-owned company back in
1995.
95, and then in 2014 we became partners.
Early on, you know, I was working with Pat since I was a kid, and he was even younger kid, and we've always worked well together. And the whole smart construction thing was really Pat's vision, and it's really elevated us to a different level. We've probably quadrupled in size in the last 5 years.
Once we started with the smart construction, it gave us the ability to do the larger scale work with the same amount of people, right? So it really kind of catapulted us, I guess.
This project started out as a restaurant that had been closed up for a number of years. Our first portion was demolished and removed that restaurant. Then from there we got into the grading of the property and encountered quite a bit of rock, more than was anticipated. You know, and through the help of Komatsu and smart construction, even with all the rock we found, you know, we are still on schedule.
All right, so this is the Komatsu 290. It's outfitted with the TopCon Indicate kit. This is the Komatsu 130 with the Komatsu Retrofit kit. So that's the new kit that they just came out with. The 130 is retrofitted with an MPK GH7 hammer. The 290 has a Gorilla 155 hammer.
Right now, I mean, we're still growing. You know, we've been lucky enough to find you know, good employees. We have a great group of guys, and we want to continue to grow in the smart construction industry.
We take a lot of pride in our work, you know, and so do all of our guys, and that's something we instill in them from the beginning. I think first and foremost is the support we have. You know, Seeing Wood, our sales, the service, everybody has been great. You know, anytime we call, there's always an answer. There's always somebody available to help. Parts and service have been great also. I mean, the machines don't break down, but when they do, you know, something's there. You know, like I said, Seeing Wood has been great about you know, their service.
Even rentals. The rental department's amazing. If we need a machine right away on a job, something happens. We had with this bad storm we had, what, a month and a half ago. You know, we needed an excavator right away to take care of some stuff, and you know, they were right there for us. So I think, yeah, so the support from Komatsu is really what sets them apart. You know, makes us want to choose them.